Hi all, it's me Ryan here, and today we will be taking a look at an OWC Type-C dock compared to a normal dongle, which is also a Type-C one. So we're going to find out whether do you really need a powered Type-C dock or do you just need a simple dongle? Or is there certain users and applications for them that specify the two different type of docks? Let's find out. There will be apparent when you compare the prices between the OWC dock, which is the powered Type-C dock, and the normal Type-C dongle. The OWC dock comes in at about 300 plus, though this model has been discontinued. You can buy the 12 or 13 port variant of it online, that's around $500. Comparing it to a generic Type-C dongle that comes in around $37.41 for a decent spec one, or if you want a similar spec one to the one in this video, you can find it on Lazada for 21 bucks. This is a 5-in-1 dock. Here, the generic Type-C dongle takes the win here in terms of price point, but it also depends on your usage applications that may call for the powered Type-C dock. For ports, well, more cash money gets you more features, such as the ability to have multiple USB ports, Type-C ports, headphone jacks, full-size internet jack, full-size SD card reader, HDMI port, and the ability to fast charge your laptop all via one cable. That's of course using the powered Type-C dock. You can use this on the unpowered Type-C dock though, but then you won't be getting as many USB ports. For the unpowered USB-C dock, all you get is a USB port, HDMI, VGA, Type-C power pass-through port, which is only for you to charge your MacBook. There's no data transfer on that Type-C port, but for other models they may be. This depends on the model you buy, and the headphone jack. Here's where the powered Type-C dock takes a win, due to its better functionality compared to the normal generic Type-C dock. But yet again, this depends on your use case. For portability wise, the Type-C dongle takes an easy win here, with its smaller footprint, almost the size of my hand, compared to the powered Type-C dock, which requires you to bring a power adapter, power cable, the dock itself, and the Type-C to Type-C cable. This is a clear win here for the Type-C dongle. Due to its portability wise, it's perfect for people who just want to have USB ports on their MacBook Pro which doesn't have any, or just want to do a quick presentation on their laptops. The powered Type-C dock loses as you really have to bring too many things with you to use that dock. Unless you're going to stay at a certain location for a longer amount of time, let's say a hotel for one to 2 days, then maybe you might want to use the powered Type-C dock so you don't need to bring a charger. In conclusion, a powered Type-C dock is really meant for people who decide to go home and then plug in their laptop to a dock with just one cable and get a proper workstation with dual monitors or single monitor with their own keyboard and mouse peripherals. This will make their laptop feel like a proper workstation, though not really having the power of a workstation. Let's say you're using a normal MacBook Pro with just an i5 processor. The normal Type-C dongle though is really good for people who just want to do presentations on the go and have a laptop somewhat like the MacBook Pro, which doesn't even have a HDMI output. You can also use this type of dongles for your smartphone. If let's say you have a Samsung Galaxy S9, S8 or Note 9 or maybe Note 8 or so, you can use this thing called Samsung DeX, which basically turns your phone into a mini computer that you can use. Or if you just want to mirror your screen onto a projector, you can use this type of dongles for that too. So there's a distinct use for this type of docks. The power Type-C dock is for those people who want a portable workstation, and then the people who just want simple portability and just plug in their laptop and go for a presentation, they can use the normal dongle. So if you guys enjoyed this video, leave a like, subscribe, share, comment down below. I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.